よ means weekday. び here is day. Together, 曜日 means day of the week. 日 this kanji also means sun. Sun plus day of the week equals 日曜日 Sunday. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. 月 is moon. Moon day is 月曜日. Ka is fire. Fire day is 火曜日. Sui is water. Water day is 水曜日. Moku is tree. Tree day is 木曜日. Kin is gold. Gold day is 金曜日. Do means soil or earth. Earth day is 土曜日. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. Go represents 12 o'clock, meaning noon, the turning point of the day. Here, this kanji is read as zen, also meaning before. Before noon is gozen, meaning AM. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. Go is after. Afternoon is gogo, meaning PM. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. Go is the center of the day. Zen is before. Go is after. San is 3. Ji means time, and here it's o'clock. Han is half. 3 o'clock and a half is sanjihan, meaning 3:30. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is A. Go is 5. Hun originally means to divide, but for time it means minute. 5 minutes is gofun. How do you read the underlined kanji? The answer is B. The kanji hun means to divide. Dividing an hour makes minutes.